Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Good morning to you all and happy Easter. Although Easter has passed, but yeah, happy Easter to everyone. So today is NJ's white wedding and trad, so I'm going to be taking you guys along the whole stuff, like what is going to happen today, from the cooking to the cleaning of the cow, to the cleaning of the cows, cooking, and everything that is going to happen today on NJ's wedding. I'm going to take you guys along, and I hope you guys are loving my nails. Like, I love this nail color, like I love the nail polish so much. Like, oh my goodness, thank you Rita, like thank you Nails by Rita. I love the nails so much. So I'm heading over to where they're cleaning the cow now to go and show you guys what is happening over there, and also where they are cooking. So I'm heading over there right now. Good. So we're going to have a lot of fun today, dancing, party. Like, we're going to have fun today. Woo. So I'm there now. Good morning. Good morning. Anyhow, I'm plenty. No.
Okay.
Neki's kitchen, Abi, in Nenye, Uruagu, Anambra State.
Yes.
You enjoy Ofonubo for if you have no chocolate in her kitchen.
Yes, everything.
She does everything. Like, one sauce on it, and that sauce nato shake. I'm going to show you guys the sauce, and if you're in Nenye or anywhere around in Nenye and you want to make, like, you have a traditional marriage, right, wedding or anything, just call NK. So guys, right now I'm heading over to where NJ is. I have a lot of questions for her today. Like, I have a lot of questions for her to answer before she starts doing her makeup. I'm heading over there right now to go and ask her some questions, so you guys should get to know some things about this her marriage you guys don't know. So yeah. You guys shouldn't mind the way I'm flaunting this nail. Like, this nail is making me go gaga. Like, oh my goodness. Like, I don't know how to express the way I feel about these nails, but I'm so much loving it. And I love the nail color. So these nails are making me go gaga. So NJ, how did you feel? Like, today is your special day, and how do you feel marrying the man of your dreams?
Oh gosh, I feel excited, I feel happy, I feel optimistic, about starting a new life. And yeah, I'm just happy, I'm excited.
Really? So how did you guys meet?
Well, I'll just give you like what would I call it? Okay, fine. We met, I was working at the pharmacy, so we met at the pharmacy one time when he came to buy drugs from his mom. Yeah, that's just the short form. Yeah, there'll be a longer form on my channel.
Oh, okay. Is it love at first sight, or I don't know?
I don't believe in love at first sight, so no, it wasn't. For me, it wasn't love at first sight. But yeah, I did notice him. this tall, dark, fine man.
So you were admiring him that day.
I did admire him. I even moved my eyes there.
Yeah, are you sure?
But I noticed him.
No, I don't think so. No, you saw something that made.
He was different from every other person that walks into the pharmacy. So, but yeah.
Different in what aspect?
I don't know. He just looked different. He looked calm. He didn't look like he lived in Nenye. He just looked different and calm and kind. I'm fine.
So, which means that kind aspect was what caught your attention, maybe when he tried talking to you.
Yeah, why not? And he was very understanding too. Because me I can be somehow with people that just talk to me. But yeah, he was just taking in all the bullshit I was giving, and yeah, that was nice.
So you believe that I should give bullshit to people?
But
But that is it. Like, for NJ to just accept someone you met at the pharmacy just like that, like maybe it's love, it's love.
First, no. He took it gradually, you know, one step at a time. So it wasn't like, you know, this would have just meet you. On that day, they'll not come and start telling you rubbish, telling you how you're the woman of their dreams, how eternity will be wonderful with both of you together. No. One step at a time.
He was just like a different fellow.
He was just different.
A different and jolly fellow.
Yeah. Exactly.
So, how do you feel leaving your father's house to your new husband's home?
Happy, excited, because you're the only one left. It was just me and you in this house. It's you I should be asking now. How do you feel now you're alone in this house? How do you feel? Oh. Sorry, I'll be coming to come and visit you. Okay, it's not far from you. And you can be coming soon. So you won't be so lonely. But I'll miss my daddy, Sha.
You'll miss him?
But I'll still be seeing him. I'll be coming to see him.
Okay. So you won't miss your mommy? It's only daddy.
Mommy will be coming now. You know.
Okay, she will live there as well.
You know, mommy. I can just have mommy come now. Come for weekend. Mommy come now. Come for 1 week. Mommy.
Okay.
I'm seeing mommy more than everybody.
Of course, I know. So, she'll be coming around.
Yeah.
She might be going to Enugu and branching.
Yes, nah.
To see how NJ is doing.
Mommy, she might just sit down one day. One day she call NJ Nana. So I'm not even going to miss mom because I know I'll see her more than I see everybody.
I can see you're so excited today.
I am.
From the look of your face, the way you are doing, like you're so excited to go and say I do.
I can't wait for everybody to see my traditional marriage dresses. I'm excited about my traditional marriage dresses.
Who made it for you?
Avenger on Instagram.
And the material is from where?
From Wairuka Fabrics.
Oh. Yeah,
so
she's good at what she does.
In your description box below.
Yeah, she's good with what she does. Please, you guys should go and check Wairuka at Instagram. Like her material is top notch.
Fabrics. Oh my god! And like she has like different price range, so you just pick the one that is on your grade, like the one you can afford. Very nice fabrics. Okay,
let me just allow you to go and get ready for today's occasion. And look at the way she's.
See me, I'm jumping up and down.
All right, guys, you guys should stay tuned, like, because more is coming to this channel. More is coming, like her white wedding and her twat. Everything is going to be up in a bit. All right, bye.
See ya.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Say hi. Okay. So guys, we're ready for NJ's white wedding, so we are heading over there right now. So you guys should stay tuned, as in we have a lot of party goody today. I can't wait. I'm so happy for NJ. I'm so happy. Yes. You're so happy. Are you not happy?
Yes.
Yeah, we are so happy. We're so happy. Even guy Ike is even happy as well. Wow. That's good. I love my makeup. I so much love my makeup today. Like, it's all natural and all. Thank you so much. As in, she gave me the lips. I used her lipstick anyway, but I'm loving my makeup so much today. I know. That's why it's snap. Yeah, I know. Like, you know, anytime you do like a fine makeup, you have to admire yourself. So I'm admiring myself today because I don't get to do makeup all this like this all the time. The last makeup I did was on Christmas period during Nazom NJ Strad. That was the last makeup I did. I don't do makeup like that. So anytime I do my makeup like this, I got to flaunt it like. Outlaws. Tom, Biko, let me see your fine shape, Biko.
Lots of children. I wish them friendship. I wish them more and more love as time goes on. I just wish them the best.
Like, how many kids do you want God to bless them with?
4 actually, but Angel wants 6. But I think 4 is good. I have 4, and I think that's good enough.
Your advice is your prayer to them, or what do you have to tell them?
I just tell them to keep being who they are. Don't change the way they love each other today. If they keep going like that, they'll be married forever. Just keep being themselves and be real with each other.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Johnny wants to. After how many years? Because hold on, just get
Hey, not again.
After how many years again? 10 years.
Wait, are you guys asking me?
After your mom burial now, if you're 2011, that was it. After 10 years, like, oh my goodness, you're looking so good. Yeah, but I'm not going to make the pain now. I don't know what you're talking about. Mama. Yeah. If you know, at least you're going to get my focus from that kind.
I just wanna say thank you for what you know about me. I just wanna say thank you for what you know about me. We gon' wanna break your chest, if I back down, without your overlap.
Banter wedding.
Yay! That's a hi! Sarah! Hi guys! Yeah, she's an Instagram friend of like, she stands there. You can see her. She's a photo of one. She can't see
Let's prepare for them, please. Let's prepare. Where are the sounds? Chidi. Yes, and I'm going to go. If I'm not the other, we're just going to go.